I'm Tom from Privacy International, and it's Data Privacy Week. Today what we're really focusing on is how issues surrounding data exploitation, surveillance affect communities that are already marginalised and in difficult situations, and how these technologies and things make things worse for these communities. We see this when we're looking at things like identity cards, like the proposal in the Philippines for a new card, which we need to look at how does this affect communities like the trans community who are already in a marginalised position. And we see similar gender issues for issues like online violence, as our partners in Lebanon have been exploring. And there's other ways we see this coming through. I mean, one of the things about surveillance is how it's so much directed against online activists, human rights defenders and activists across the world, victims of surveillance, and how this affects their work, and just the chilling effect of believing they're under monitoring by the state can really affect what they do. But these issues affect people in the most personal ways. We've also looking at things like the health system and how in Paraguay, for instance, the monitoring by the private sector there is causing issues. But more optimistically, I really think looking across the work of Privacy International and our network of partners around the world, one of the things I really see is how that civil society organisations, it's often not easy, but they can work towards change and they can achieve change in this area.